If you had installed Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome browser and you no longer need it, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to remove it or uninstall it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to uninstall your Grammarly extension, just go over to extension icon here and click on it. Here you'll see we have this option to manage extensions. If you click on it, now you'll see all the extensions that you have on your Google Chrome browser. Go ahead and identify the Grammarly extension. You can see Grammarly AI Write Assistant extension is here. To remove it, just click on remove and then confirm by clicking on remove here. This will go ahead and prompt you to give a reason why you want to remove or uninstall this extension. Go ahead and choose any reason that applies to you and then just click on submit. By clicking that, you will have an installed extension. So if I go back to extensions icon here and click on manage extensions, you can see the Grammarly extension has been removed. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.